What's up, guys? So you want to learn forex trading? I got you. In this episode, I'm going to teach you, or I'm going to give you a beginner guide on how to start forex trading. So without further ado, subscribe to this channel, give it a like, make sure to turn on the notification bell and share this video with all your friends. Let's go. So guys, the first thing you need to learn what forex is. You need to learn what forex trading is. Because forex, we are dealing with currencies. We are dealing with pound, dollars. We are dealing with Japanese yen. We are dealing with Swiss franc. So you need to learn how to trade forex. And when you want to learn how to trade forex, there are very many courses on the internet. There are very many videos on YouTube. My channel just itself, it has more than 20 plus videos on how to trade forex, from the beginner, risk management, and everything. So you need to learn, what am I getting into? Know its depth. Know if is there a market, as people say, is there 6.6? Because the forex market has $6.6 trillion in circulation. It's the biggest market in the whole world. These are some of the things that you need to know when you're learning forex. You get. So you have to learn forex so that you can be able to start forex trading. So number two is open a broker account. A broker is just I should say it's a company. When you say a broker, someone may think you're talking about people. A broker, yeah, it's owned by people. It's a company owned by people, but this company just helps you place your trades over the computers and all that. So a broker, it's a company where we put our money, and it helps us withdraw it onto our trading account, and also it helps us withdraw it from our trading account. So you need to find a broker that offers good spreads. You need to find a broker that has good deposit and withdrawal options that favor you. As in my country, Uganda, my country people, they love mobile money. So with mobile money, you're able to use your mobile phone. You're able to use your mobile phone to withdraw your money and deposit very fast in just a short period of time. In other countries, India, US, Europe, those guys, they love using their Visa cards, and they love using Skrill, Nutella, and all that too. So you should always find a broker that has spread, withdrawals, and leverage, and all that favors you. Number three is open a demo account. So after opening a broker account, then you have to open a demo account, so that you can practice. So a demo account is basically a platform where they give you with virtual money. So demo account, they give you virtual money. They can give you anywhere from 10,000 US dollars, $1,000, even 2 million, even though you want $1 billion, they'll give it you. But with virtual money, it's just basically where you have to practice your skills, because after learning what forex is, then you know what real forex is. Then you open a broker account, then you open a demo account so that you practice your skills. You put them to work. Because you want to make money with the market, so you first practice. So demo account, remember to always keep discipline. Don't develop bad habits. The guys that over risk their accounts so they can see big figures on the market. Make sure to keep discipline and be humble with the market in the demo. Because with the demo account, there's no difference. The only difference with the demo account and real account is just the money. In the real account, we are using real money, and the demo account, we are using virtual money. So that's basically it. Open a demo account. And number four, open a live account. Because after practicing a demo account, we're jumping to the live account. As you can see, it's step by step. First, we learn the forex thing. Second, we open a broker account because now we know how to trade. Then third, we practice what we learned. Then number four, we open a live account so we can deposit real money and start practicing. We put our skills to use. There are certain guys that like staying in the demo account for a long time, playing with that virtual money, but they're just wasting time. Don't waste your time. Time is money. Every minute that goes in forex, that's money. So never, with forex, we don't waste time. So make sure from the demo account we switch to the live account so that we can make money with the live account. If you lose money, still you keep on going, because losing money is part of the game. So number five, and this is the last point, the platform that I use to analyze the market is called TradingView. Some people opt to use MetaTrader 5 and 4 on their computers and phones, but me, the platform I love to use is called TradingView. TradingView is a platform that has very good display. I'll show you in a bit how trading view looks like. So this is what trading view looks like on my phone. Just give me a minute. So this is trading view. Where's my trading view? So trading view, it will look like this. I don't know if you can see it. It has like very good charts. You see, when you compare it to MetaTrader charts, these are MetaTrader charts. Trading view they look very nice, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it. But anyway, trading view I use it to analyze the market. Let's say on the weekends when the markets are closed, I go onto my trading view, do back tests on the charts, the different currency pairs, so that I can see what the market did. So with trading view, it helps you analyze. It has very many indicators. It has the trend lines, the Fibonacci retracement. It has the area 12 and all the double tops. Trading view is just it. So make sure to follow those things in step. Number 1, learn what Forex is. Number 2, open a broker account. Number 3, open a demo account so that you can practice with the virtual money. So don't practice with real money. When you practice with real money, you lose your money. And number 4 is open a live account. So because you're not going to stay in the demo account for, you can't stay in the demo account forever. When you're afraid, because I know most of the guys stay in the demo account because they're afraid. They have like weak hearts to jump onto the real money. But when you have a weak heart, there's Junior who doesn't have a weak heart, man. There's Junior who has a strong heart. I'm going to go for the market, And number 5 is use trading view for your analysis. So guys, when you follow those tips, Forex will be easier for you to learn and to make money with the Forex market. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, give it a like, give thumbs up, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on my weekly videos on how to trade Forex. And make sure share with all your friends. With this economic crisis that is happening in the world, people need to learn how to trade Forex. That's why we are sharing all this knowledge with all you guys so that you can know what really Forex is. I stay Junior, sir.